Welcome back to my channel, The Maths Booth. Today I am here with the very important problems on AP. In my previous video, I have already solved these very important problems on AP. In my previous video, I have completed till question number 4. So now I am going to continue with the question number 5. So here is the question number 5. The sum of 4 consecutive terms of an AP is 32 and the ratio of the product of first and last term to the product of two middle term is 7:15. Find the numbers. So let us solve this problem. The question is question number 5. The sum of 4 consecutive terms of an AP is 32. Let the 4 consecutive term be, let the 4 consecutive term be, consecutive terms be A minus 3D, A minus D, A plus D, A plus 3D. These are the sequence. So we have taken here, let the 4 consecutive terms be A minus 3D, A minus D, A plus 3D, A plus 3D. So here the question is, the sum of 4 consecutive term of an AP is 32. So sum between this term is 32. Let us do a sum. A minus 3D plus, sum in the sense plus, A minus D plus A plus D plus A plus 3D equals to 32. So here minus 3D plus 3D get cancelled, minus D plus D get cancelled, A plus A plus A, 4A equals to 32. A is equals to 32 by 4. 4 ones are 4. 4 eights are 32. What we got A value? A is equals to 8. So the second question in this only is, and the product and the ratio of product of first and last term to the product of two middle term is 7:15. So we have to understand it well. First term, second term, third term, fourth term. What they are saying here, the ratio of product of first and last term. Ratio of product. First let us take product of first and last term to the ratio of two middle terms. A minus D, A plus D is 7:15, that is 7 by 15. So we already know that A plus B, A minus B formula. A plus B, A minus B is nothing but A square minus B square. So here A minus 3D, A minus 3D and A plus 3D is nothing but A square minus 3D square. That is A plus B, A minus B, A square minus B square. Same thing, A minus D, A plus D is nothing but A square minus D square. So 7:50 as it is. A square as it is minus 3 square is 9, D square as it is. A square minus D square is equals to 7 by 15. Let us cross multiply now. 15 into A square minus 9D square is equal to 7 into A square minus D square. What we have done here, cross multiply. This into this and this into this. 15 into A square is 15A square minus 15 nines are. So we can solve here. 15 nines are 9, 5s are 45, 9 ones are 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 135. So 135 D square is equals to 7 into A, 7A square minus 7 into D, 7D square. So let us bring A like terms one side. That is 15A square. 7A is in the positive sign. So if we bring here minus and here minus 7d this side only, so we didn't change the sign, but this minus 135d square if we bring here, it becomes plus 135d square. 15 minus 7 is nothing but 8a square as it is. 135 minus 7 is 128. So greater sign is plus, so plus 128d square. A square, we have already a value. A, in place of a I will substitute 8. 8 square. A we have got 8. 128d square. 8 into 8 square is 64. 8 into 8 square is 8 into 8 square is 64. 8 square 64 is equals to 128d square. D square is equals to 8 into 64 upon 128. So we know that 8 2s are 6. 4 2s are 8. 4 3s are 12. 4 2s are 8. 2 1s are 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 6s are 12. 16 1s are 16. 16 4s are 64. What we got? D square is equals to 4. D is equals to plus or minus root 4. D is equals to plus or minus 2. So we got here D value is 1 plus 2, 1 minus 2. So they have told find the numbers. The question is find the numbers. Therefore the numbers are, we know that a minus 3d we have taken, a minus d, a plus d, a plus 3d. Let us substitute a and d value. A is 8 minus 3 into d 2, 8 minus 2, 8 plus 2, 8 plus 3 into 2. So 8 minus 3 to the 6. Directly I will do 8, 3 to the 6. 8 minus 6 is 2. 8 minus 2 is 6. 8 plus 2 is 10. And 3 to the 6. 8 plus 6 is 14. And if the negative sign, or what we have to write in the reverse way we have to write, if we substitute the negative value minus 2, that is 14, 10, 6, 2. So the next question is, if the sum of third and seventh term, see, if the sum of third and seventh term of an AP is 6 and their product is 8, find the sum of first 20th term. First 20th term. So the question is, if the sum of third, question number 6, if the sum of third and seventh term is 6 and their product is, third and seventh term product, their product is minus 8. What? The question is, the third and not minus 8, plus 8. Okay, let us complete this problem. A3 is a plus 2d. We have to less one digit. A3, third term, A3 is a plus 2d. A7 is a plus 6d is equal to 6. A plus a is 2a. 6 plus 2d, 8d is equal to 6. Now, let us take 2a is equals to 6 minus 8d. 8d I have brought this side, so it is minus. 2a is equals to, what is common in these two terms? 2 is common. 2. 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8. So, a is equals to 2 into 3 minus 4d upon 2. 2 get cancelled. A is equals to 3 minus 4D. What we got? A is 3 minus 4D. So now let us go for this side. A3. A plus 2D. A7. A plus 6D. In between them, what product? 8. A is what? 3 minus 4D. In place of A, 3 minus 4D plus 2D as it is. In place of A, 3 minus 4D plus 6D as it is equals to 8. 3 let us keep as it is. Like terms should be added and subtracted. Minus plus minus. 4 minus 2, 2D. 3 as it is. Minus plus minus. Greater sign is plus. 6 minus 4, 2D. Here greater sign is negative, so negative. Here greater sign is positive, so plus sign. Is equals to 8. Now we can see here A plus B, A minus B. A minus B, A plus B. A square minus B square is equals to 8. 3 square is 9 minus 2 square is 4. D square as it is equals to 8. Minus 4D square is equals to 8 minus 9. 9 I have brought this side. Minus 4D square is equals to minus 1. 1 get cancelled. D is equals to 1 by 4. D is equals to 1 upon root 4. That is D is equals to 1 by 2. What we got? D is equals to 1 by 2. Now we got the value of D 1 by 2. So let us find the value of A. We didn't get the value of A over here. So A is equals to 3 minus 4D we have. So A is equals to 3 minus 4. D value is 1 by 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. A is equals to 3 minus 2 1s are 2. A is equals to 3 minus 2 is 1. We got A value is 1 and D is 1 by 2. What they have told in the question to find? Find the sum of first 20 term. So let us find the 20th term. Yes, 20 we have to find. Sum of first 20 term. We know Sn formula. Sn is equals to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1d. So, yes 20. In place of n, what I am writing? 20. Yes 20 is nothing but 20 by 2. 2a, we have got value 1. Plus as it is 90, n is 20 minus 1, d is 1 by 2. 2 1s are 2 10s are 20. 10 into 2 1s are 2 plus 20 minus 1 is 90 by 2. So 10 let's keep outside only. 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 19 by 2. 2 1s are 2 5s are. So 5 into 19 plus 4 is 23. 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. So 23. 23 into 5. 5 3s are 15. 5 2s are 10, 11. 115. So yes 20 is nothing but sum of first 20 term is 115. So the next question is question number 7. Let us see question number 7. The 14th term of an AP is twice its 8th term. If the 6th term is minus 8, then find the sum of 28th term. Again, they have to find the sum of 28th term. These all questions are from previous question papers, which is very helpful for your board examination. So, let us solve the 7th one question. Here, the question which I have already read. So, I will write here 14th term. 14th term of an AP is twice its 8th term. 14th term is twice its 8th term. If the 6th term is minus 8, find the sum of 20 term. Find yes 20. The given question is, I'll repeat once again. If 14th term is twice its 8th term and 6th term is minus 8, find the sum of 28 terms. So let us start. Let's solve. We have already solved such type of problems. A14 is nothing but A plus 13D is equals to 2 into A8 is nothing but A plus 7D. If the 8th term, we have to take 7th D. Okay, A plus 13D as it is. 2 into A, 2A. 2 7s are 14D. Next, let us keep a like term one side. A. 2A if I bring this side minus 2A. 14D this side only. If I bring 13D minus 13D. So, 2A minus A is minus A because greater number is 2 and it is minus sign. So, minus A. 14 minus 13, 1D. So, what we got? D is equals to minus A. D is equals to minus A. We have already here A 6. 6th term is 8. Minus 8. 6th term is A plus 5D. Is equals to minus 8. A, we don't know A. D is minus A. A as it is. D is minus A. Is equals to minus 8. A plus minus 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 into A 5A is equals to minus 8. Now minus 5A minus A is minus 4A is equals to minus 8. Minus minus got cancelled. A is equals to 8 by 4. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. We got A is equals to 2. Value of A is 2. Let us substitute the value of A in this. We already know that D is equals to minus A. D is equals to, let minus sign be as it is. A value is 2. So we got D value is minus 2. So they have told to find the sum of 28 term. Yes, 20 we need to find. Let us write the formula. Sn is equals to n by 2. 2A plus n minus 1 D. S20 is equals to 20 by 2. 2A value is 2 plus n is 20 minus D is minus 2. 2 1s are 2 10s are. So 10 into 2 2s are 4 plus 20 minus 1 is 19 into minus 2. 10 as it is 4 plus minus minus 19 2s are 38. 10 into 38 minus 4 is 34. Greater sign minus. Minus 34. 34 into 10 minus 340 is the answer. 28th term is minus 340. Next question is 8th question. Let us see the question number 8. The sum of first 3 term in AP is 24 and the sum of their square is 224. Find the 3 terms. The question is, the sum of first 3 term of an AP is 24. Let the 3 terms be. Let the 3 terms be A minus D, A plus D. In the question they have asked sum of 3 terms is 24. Sum of 3 terms, these 3 terms. Let us do sum in between these 3 terms. A minus D, sum A plus D. Sum of 3 terms is 24. D get cancelled. A plus A is 3A is equals to 24. A is equals to 24 by 3. 3 1s are 3. 3 8s are 24. We got the value of A is 8. The continued question is, and the sum of their square is 224. Find the 3 terms. sum of their square, that is, now let us do squaring between this and plus sum. A minus d square plus a square plus a plus d square is equals to 224. Sum of their square. Now we can see here it is formula a minus b whole square. That is a square minus 2ab plus b square. A square minus 2ad, here not b, here d, so 2ad plus d square plus this a square as it is plus as it is a plus d whole square, that is a square plus 2ad plus d square is equals to 224. 2ad got cancels. A square plus a square plus a square, 3a square plus d square plus d square is 2d square is equals to 224. Now we can see here we have a is equals to 8. In place of a I'll write 8 square plus 2d square is equals to 224. 3 into 8 square is 64 plus 2d square is equals to 224. 64 3s are 64 into 3. 3 4s are 12. 3 6 18 19. 192. 192 plus 2d square is equals to 224. 2d square is equals to 224 minus 192. That is 2d square is equals to 224 minus 192 is nothing but 32. So we got over here 2d square is equals to 32. D square is equals to 32 by 2. 2 ones are 2 ones are 2. 2 6 are 12. So we got d square is equals to 16 and d is equals to root 16 and that is d is equals to 4 plus and minus 4. So therefore the three terms are we have already taken a minus d. A is 8, d is 4. A is 8, 8 plus d. 8 minus 4 is 4, 8 and 12. Or if we take negative sign, 12, 8 and 4. So this complete the question number 8. So in my next video I am going to continue with this all AP question, that is 9, 10, 11 till 20 in my next video. So to watch my next video, don't forget to subscribe my channel, like and share. Thank you.
Like and share.